We are going to take a look at a Southworth 3-foot by 7-foot, 6,000-pound lift table. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and turn on notifications to get our latest videos as they drop. What can we say? It's a Southworth model LS6-48. It has a 3-foot by 7-foot top, and it will lift 6,000 pounds. This is a really hard size, capacity, and lift height to find, and it's expensive new. This one has an 8.5-inch lowered height and a 56.5-inch raised height. Power is provided via a 3.2 horsepower Balder 234 60-volt motor. The safety bellows skirting is in good but not perfect condition. This lift is extremely clean and has no hydraulic leaks.